Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below for your convenience. This review reflects my personal experience using Fidelity Go. Here's a look at the Fidelity Go Robo Advisor, sharing my experience with the platform. Fidelity Go is a user-friendly and cost-effective robo-advisor service from Fidelity Investments. It's designed for investors who want a simple, hands-off way to manage their finances. The platform automates portfolio management, focusing on long-term growth. This makes it a great choice for those new to investing or anyone looking for a hassle-free investment experience. A key advantage of Fidelity Go is the absence of account fees for balances under $10,000, making it especially appealing for those starting with smaller investments. For balances over $10,000, there's a flat monthly fee of just $3, regardless of the account size, keeping costs predictable. This fee structure is highly competitive among robo-advisors. Fidelity Go invests your money in a diversified portfolio consisting of Fidelity Flex mutual funds, including equity and bond index funds. The platform automatically rebalances these portfolios to maintain your desired asset allocation. Getting started is quick and easy. You'll answer a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance, and based on your responses, Fidelity Go recommends a portfolio aligned with your objectives, whether it's retirement savings, a major purchase, or general wealth building. The service is perfect for those who prefer an automated solution and don't want to actively manage their investments. Another attractive feature is the lack of a minimum investment requirement for new customers. This removes barriers and allows even those with limited funds to begin growing their wealth. Plus, Fidelity provides a robust mobile app, allowing you to easily track your portfolio, monitor progress, and make necessary adjustments on the go. It's important to note that Fidelity Go may not offer the same level of personalized advice provided by some higher-tier robo-advisors. Therefore, it's best suited for investors comfortable with a hands-off approach who aren't seeking extensive financial planning. In conclusion, Fidelity Go is an excellent option for those seeking a simple, low-cost investment solution backed by a reputable financial institution. Click the links in the description to learn more about Fidelity Go and start taking control of your financial future today.